Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer your Shiba Inu (SHIB) tokens from your Ledger Nano X to Revolut in 2025. If you're holding SHIB on your secure hardware wallet and want to move it to a more accessible platform like Revolut for easier trading or spending, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, we're dealing with real money, so security is key. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device, which should already have the SHIB app installed, and a verified Revolut account that supports cryptocurrencies. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and get those sorted. It's crucial for a smooth transfer. Let's jump right in with the steps. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. Unlock your device with your PIN, then navigate to the Ethereum account where your SHIB is stored, since SHIB is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Step 2. In Ledger Live, select your SHIB wallet and hit the Send button. You'll need to enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Revolut app, go to the crypto section, and generate or copy your SHIB wallet address. Double-check this address. One wrong character could send your tokens into the void. Step 3. Back in Ledger Live, paste the Revolut address into the recipient field, enter the amount of SHIB you want to transfer, and review the transaction fees. These can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Step 4. Confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by checking the details on the screen and pressing the buttons to approve. Once it's signed, the transfer will broadcast to the Ethereum network. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network speed in 2025. Finally, hop back into Revolut and refresh your crypto balance to see your SHIB arrive. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it time and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. There you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred your Shiba Inu from Ledger Nano X to Revolut. Remember, always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage and only transfer what you need. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.